First reading, Hebrews chapter 2 verse 14 to 18. Since all the children share the same human nature, he too shared equally in it, so that by his death he could set aside him who held the power of death, namely the devil, and set free all those who had been held in slavery all their lives by the fear of death. For it was not the angels that he took to himself the line of Abraham. It was essential that he should in this way be made completely like his brothers, so that he could become a compassionate and trustworthy high priest for their relationship to God, able to expiate the sins of the people. For the suffering he himself passed through while being put to the test enables him to help others when they are being put to the test. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 105 verse 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 6 to 7, 8 to 9. Alleluia! Give thanks to Yahweh, call on his name, proclaim his deeds to the peoples, sing to him, make music for him, recount all his wonders, glory in his holy name. Let the hearts that seek Yahweh rejoice, seek Yahweh and his strength. Tirelessly seek his presence, stock of Abraham, his servant, children of Jacob whom he chose. He is Yahweh our God, his judgments touch the whole world, he remembers his covenant forever, the promise he laid down for 1,000 generations, which he concluded with Abraham, the oath he swore to Isaac. Gospel, Mark chapter 1 verse 29 to 39. And at once on leaving the synagogue, he went with James and John straight to the house of Simon and Andrew. Now Simon's mother-in-law was in bed and feverish, and at once they told him about her. He went in to her, took her by the hand and helped her up. And the fever left her, and she began to serve them. That evening, after sunset, they brought to him all who were sick and those who were possessed by devils. The whole town came crowding round the door. And he cured many who were sick with diseases of one kind or another. He also drove out many devils, but he would not allow them to speak, because they knew who he was. In the morning, long before dawn, he got up and left the house and went off to a lonely place and prayed there. Simon and his companions set out in search of him, and when they found him they said, "Everybody is looking for you." He answered, "Let us go elsewhere, to the neighboring country towns, so that I can proclaim the message there too. Because that is why I came." And he went all through Galilee, preaching in their synagogues and driving out devils.